Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Amazon Fire TV remote control where it is delayed or hesitant. Every time you try to click on something, it takes like 2, 3, 4 seconds. Or you're trying to move somewhere, it takes 2, 3, 4 seconds. Even if you go ahead and click on the home button, it's just like a nice delay on there. It'll take 2 or 3 or 4 seconds until it actually responds. Okay, I'm gonna show you a quick fix for this, and this should help 50% of you guys. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and pop out your battery. So let's take out this battery. Same thing, here's another remote here. This one here, you can see the arrows pointing up. So what I want to do is press this whole thing like up, like that. And now I can go ahead and take that off. Okay, I'll just go ahead and do this one here. So go ahead and take out the batteries. Once the battery's out, what I want you to do is start pressing every single button, okay? Left, right, up, down, that middle right there. Press it nice and hard. Every single button on here, and keep doing this. Because what happens if you have like dirt or debris that's stuck in there, even hand lotion can get in there. If it gets in one corner or one area or one button, it can affect the whole thing, okay? Even if you drop water on there, it can affect that. Even coffee, Kool-Aid, soda. So keep pressing. Same thing, it doesn't matter which remote you have, do the same thing, okay? With the batteries out, press like crazy everywhere, and then give it like a nice smack like this. Now go ahead and put the batteries back in, and don't put the back plate on yet. Go ahead and see if the remote is working like it should, okay? If it's still like delayed or it's not as responsive as it should be, take the batteries back out and do the same thing, okay? Start pressing every single button on here multiple times like crazy. Get it all nice and loose. Whatever's in there, you want to get it like unstuck. Give it a couple taps like that. Insert the battery, and hopefully you're back up and running. If you're not, go ahead and do the same steps again. Try it like 2, 3 more times. And like I said, this video should have like a 50% thumbs up, okay? Good luck, guys.